If you want to learn how to add and edit pictures in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can import images, place them on your timeline, resize and rotate them, and adjust the look and duration to fit your edit perfectly. This is a super useful skill, whether you're making tutorials, talking head videos, slideshows, reels, or any kind of creative content. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into CapCut and get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at the top panel and click on Media. This is where CapCut keeps your imported files and assets, and it's the starting point for adding any picture to your video. Next, click Import. A file window will open, and from there choose the picture or pictures you want to use for your computer. You can select one image or multiple images, depending on your project. After you choose the files, click Open, and CapCut will bring them into your media library. Now that your picture has been imported, the next step is to drag it down to the timeline. This is what places the picture into your actual video project so you can start editing it. Once it's on the timeline, click the picture to select it. When the image is selected, you'll be able to make changes to it in the preview window and the settings panel. If you want the picture to fit better in your scene, use the preview window to resize it. You can make it larger or smaller by dragging the corners. You can also rotate it if you want a tilted effect, or reposition it by clicking and dragging it into a different area of the screen. This is really helpful when you want your image to sit beside text, frame a face, or highlight a specific part of the screen. After that, look over to the right panel. This is where CapCut gives you extra editing controls for the selected picture. Depending on your project and version, you may see options like opacity, filters, and animations. Opacity is useful if you want the picture to look more transparent, or blend into the background. Filters can help you change the style or mood of the image so it matches the rest of your video. Animations are great if you want the picture to fade in, slide in, zoom in, or move in a more dynamic way. These small adjustments can make a simple image feel much more professional and polished. Now let's talk about timing. If you want the picture to stay on screen longer or disappear sooner, just drag the edges of the picture clip in the timeline. Pulling the edges out will make it last longer, while pulling them inward will shorten its appearance. This is one of the easiest ways to control the pacing of your video and make sure the image stays visible for exactly the right amount of time. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to add a picture in CapCut, edit its size, and control how long it appears on screen. Once you get comfortable with these steps, you can use pictures much more creatively in your edits and make your videos look much more engaging. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.